The real story is I tweaked my ankle like three weeks ago, and
And there is one of the major problems with this sport. We obviously know that most of these guys have some sort of lingering thing. No one's fully healthy, whether it's a hold this, a tight that, whatever. It's a very physical sport. Obviously, injuries happen. But the fact is that for weeks on weeks on weeks, you have riders that are underperforming, or you just have people asking like, what happened? Where is this guy? Why is he not contending for the front? What's going on? Is it bike issues? Is it this? Is it that? And it's just, well, for 3 weeks, apparently he's had a bad ankle, and well, nobody ever knew. And it's one of those funny things that you look at other major sports and there's injury reports every single week throughout the week. You've got football that have people, for daily practices, they've got who's participating, who's not participating, at what level, how far off they are, weeks, this, that. And then you look at this and it's like, if this wants to be a major sport, obviously it's a very different side of things. It's, you know, bikes and machines, it's not just a physical thing like one person being hurt and that's all they can use is, their legs. But it's if you want to be a major sport and you want to get into that kind of this is what people look for, watch, and at this point, especially bet on and put money towards, it's something that needs to change. Like obviously you as a rider, as a personality, as a person, whatever, you want your own privacy, I guess you'd want to call it. But if you're affecting, and this is gonna sound stupid, I know full on. If you start affecting fantasy points, betting strategies and stuff like that, it's going to become a problem. And where most of the money is coming from betting sponsorships and that kind of the multi-million dollar side of that thing. If you want to grow, that's where you need to go. It's sad to say in a way, but if you want this sport to become more mainstream, more eyes on it, more money, more publicity, whatever, at some point you're going to have to start looking into betting or just that kind of thing. And if you have riders not disclosing injuries for weeks on weeks on weeks, it's going to become a problem. And it already is because it's just not letting people know for this, and you have weeks on end of people having to speculate on one way or another. I don't know. To me, it's kind of stupid. You could just come out and say, "Hey, I tweaked my ankle this weekend. I might not be that great. And if you do good, fine. If you do bad, yeah, you've met expectations." But I don't know. You guys tell me. One, do you think we're ever going to the point where you're going to start betting on this sport? Two, do you wish that, riders were more open with injuries or something? And three, whatever. Tell me what you want in the comments below. Did you like Triple Crown? Are you happy with the series so far? Whatever. Comment down below while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And if you want to watch the rest of that question, interview, whatever, little snippet, it's right after this so you can actually hear him talk. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.
yeah, I mean, I was just struggling straight up. So, and the real story is I tweaked my ankle like three weeks ago, and I haven't been able to balance right either. So, tonight that finally came around too, and my balance is back. So, maybe it was some of that, a little bit of the soft conditions, and it honestly made it worse, kind of limping around.